have arrived.
Look like the Sesame Seed.
We have arrived. Yay.
Wait.
Cowan Lake.
Look like this is like the Sesame Seed.
Okay, we have to go there to the park office.
Wait, this is like the Sesame Seed. Look, they're the same.
Over there.
Yeah, this is the same.
We're just going to show our confirmation.
Yeah, they're the same.
Okay. We have the map of the campground. So we're just gonna look for our campsite. So this is the view. Okay, now what does it says there? Cabins, playground, nature. I think it goes straight. Let's just go straight. And then campsites. 1 to 60. I think, yeah. Turn right.
The same.
Yes. We're gonna look for our
It's the same.
campsite.
Head north.
Dito mas mapuno dito, no? There are more trees. Okay. Ayan. Sige, diretso pa. And ayun, may mga number 50.
Oh, good. I discovered it.
There's a shower over there. And this is 54. Hey, I think we already passed by 50. So this is our campsite, campground. Ayan. More space. Ito yung ang paligid. Dito mapuno lang talaga siya. Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. And for today's video, another camping episode. So right now we are here at Cowan Lake State Park, Ohio. It's another campsite. So, ito yung view niya. So before setting up a tent, kakain muna kami. Mag-snacks muna kami kasi hindi pa kami nag-almusal and lunch. And galing akong night shift. And because I'm so excited, so, ayun. Hindi na nakatulog at hindi na nila nakakain. So, bago tayo mag-set up ng tent ay kakain muna tayo ng french fries kasi walang breakfast and lunch. Hindi pa nakapag-breakfast and lunch. Okay guys, ito yung campsite ng Cowan Lake State Park. So ibang site naman to ng campsite. Ayan, nasa loob kami ng tent ngayon. Kasi hindi maganda yung panahon. I think it's going to rain very soon. Kanina pa naririnig namin yung thunder. So, definitely baka uulan tonight. Kaya, so it will be a nice experience kasi camping in the rain. So, ayun. Kumain na kami ng lunch, dinner kanina, tapos ayun, snacks time na, ice cream, tsaka mani. May ulan na. Hindi yan. Maano yan? Makapal yan. It's raining, guys. Good morning, guys. So, day 2 sa campsite. Hindi man ako nakapag-video kagabi kasi umulan. Tapos, antok kasi walang ang tulog. So, ito yung aming camp tent. Hindi naman, maganda naman ang tulog namin kagabi. Kahit umulan. Ano? Ang sabi sa mapa, andito tayo. Nasa gubat. Tapos yung ilog, malayo pa pala. Somewhere banda dito. The lake.
Mabuti mo po, malapit yung mga sa nila.
May commissary pala dyan. Ayan o, pababa siya. Malayo pala yung camp, yung site natin kahagabi.
Diretso lang doon.
Yeah. Tapos may parking. Ito yung mga non-electric site. Yung mga wala siya. Oh man, ang ganda ng dagat. Red, look at that. Dito kung pwede ka mag-camping dito na wala ka namang kuryente.
Pwede,
Oo, maganda dito. May ano naman tayo eh. May power station. Tapos dalhin lang natin yung solar. Ayan oh. Oh, overlooking mo yung lake. Oh, ganda oh. Dito ka na iikot. Kasi yan dyan, mga barko, mga, yung mga speedboat nila. Look at that red oh, ganda red oh.
There's an island.
Oh, parang ang lalim naman. No? Ganda. Doon yung ano oh, yung may sand. Doon sa gilid. This site is non-electric site. Ayan, B1 to B17. Pwede kang mag-camp dito na, yun lang, bring your own light. Or power station. Ayan no. Ganito lang siya. Ayan, may nag-camp doon. May isang tent. Ang ganda dito oh. Tapos paggising mo, overlooking mo yung lake. Tapos on this side, dito banda, dyan, nandyan yung sand. So pwede kang mag-swim doon. Ayun oh, ayan oh, look at that oh. Pwede kang mag-swim.
Oh yeah, there's a sand.
Can you put this down? Yeah, look. Ayan.
Wait, what is that like red thing in the lake?
I think that's like a measurement how deep the river is or the lake is. Ayan. Nice.
There's a doctor. Oh, this duck. This duck.
And this is the area. This is the non-electric campsite, campground. Ayan. So malayo pala yung campsite natin kagabi, no? Doon talaga sa may entrance tayo eh. palibot pala to yung lake. Dito o sa gilid, sa right side. Paikot. Yung dump site over here. And then that's a commissary on the right. Maganda rin yung location natin doon kagabi
maganda
kasi
rin dito.
mapuno.
Maganda rin dito.
Eto,
ni.
255.
Maganda rin siya din yan.
Oo. 255 number.
Oh, maganda siya. Oh.
And then this one is like yung open. Dito, wala masyadong puno dyan. Yan sa left side natin dito. Yan. Yan.
Ang ano kasi, wala siyang ano ng tubig kaya walang nag-ano. Meron, ito meron. Doon wala.
Yung sa non-electric, wala siyang water ano. Yung parang, yung, ano ba de? Ayun, yung, ano tawag nila? Yung poso. Katulad dun sa site natin kagabi, may poso.
Iikot ka lang doon.
Ito, 211 and until 237 dyan.
Dito sa atin.
Diyan tayo galing. 1 until 60. Okay. Maraming mga cabins doon, no? Kung gusto mo mag-rent ng cabin, wala kang tent, wala kang RV. Ayan. Okay, we're going home.